Hello and welcome back everyone. Today in this lecture we are going to make our first C program. With that I tell you about the things that we include in our C program. As we are armed with the knowledge of variable, constant and keyword, then next logical step would be to combine them to form instruction. However, instead of this, we would write a C program now. Once we have done that, we would see in details the instruction that is made use of. The first program is very simple. It calculates the sum of two numbers and print it on the console screen. So let's get into it. So first open the code blocks and then go to File and click on New File. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl Shift N. Now before writing code, we just save our file by shortcut key Ctrl S and name it my first C program. And don't forget to save with the extension .c and click on Save. First we put comment, program for adding two numbers, and close the comment. In next line we write #include studio.h. If you are not getting why I am writing this, don't worry. Once I complete this program, then I tell you each step in detail. First we write int main, followed by that open curly braces. Now we have to create two variables to store our value. So let's create first variable int a and let's say give the value 10. Here a is our first variable and we have stored 10 in it. Now we have to create our next variable. So we create it. So we have created our next variable and name it as b and we have stored 20 in it. Now we have to create another variable to store the sum of these two numbers. So int sum semicolon. Now what we have to do is to add two numbers. Therefore we have write sum is equals to a plus b semicolon. And also put the comment here sum is calculated. Now we have stored the sum of two numbers in the sum variable. We have to print it on the console screen. So for that we have to write printf function. Again we add the comment printing the sum of two numbers and after that close the curly braces. Here we have completed our code. Now let's check for error if any. For compile the program, click on build and run. Now this is the console screen and it give output that is 30, which is right. Now let's understand this program in detail. First we write comments in our program. So let's talk about what are comments. Comments are used in a program to clarify either the purpose of program or the purpose of some statement in a program. Imagine if someone else is reading your code, he will easily understand what the program is doing or what a particular line of code is doing by reading the comment. Comments also enhance program readability, as comments provide more description about the code. The most important thing is that comments are ignored by compiler. So whatever you write inside the comment is totally ignored by the compiler. So let's talk about why comments are very useful. Imagine if you write a code today and after a year you go through that. If you provide comment in the code at that time, then it will save your time to understand the purpose of particular function or a line of code. Another useful thing is that if another person is looking at your code, if there are comments in the code describing what the code is doing, then other person will able to understand the code much quicker. It's going to be more readable. So it's a good practice to add comment in your code. Here are few things that you must remember while writing comments in a C program. There are two ways to add comments. In C, you can either have multi-line comment or single-line comment. Multi-line comments are start with forward slash followed by asterisk symbol. These comments end with asterisk followed by slash without space. As the name specified, multi-line comments are used to comment many lines. So anything between the slash star and ending star slash is considered to be comment. The another way is single line comment. Single line comments are begin with double forward slash and anything after the two forward slash are considered as comment. Let's see some different style of writing comments. Comments used for heading. As you see in the code, I have added a comment at the beginning of the code. This is done to give reader an idea what this program is all about. Comment used to specify purpose of statement. Sometimes it is not very obvious what a particular statement in a program accomplish. At such time, a comment can be used to mention the purpose of the statement. For example, sum is equals to a plus b. Here I add the comment telling that this statement is calculating the sum of two numbers. Any number of comments can be written at any place in the program. So a comment be written before the statement, after the statement, or within the statement. As you see in this example. As you see in the first example, I write the comment before the statement sum is equals to a plus b. In the next example, you see I write the comment after the statement. And in the third example, I put the comment between the a plus b. So in a program, you can put comment anywhere. That's all for this video. In next video, we see other important statements that we include in our code. If you have any query related to today's topic, you can ask in the comment section. And if you like this video, give video a thumbs up. Thank you.